We're about to wash my dirtiest fleece that I have this year. It's a Suffolk fleece from my ewe named Bocephus, and it has the most lanolin content out of all the fleeces. So this should be really dirty water and hopefully quite satisfying to see the before and after of this fleece. So we're going to go ahead and put the fleece into the water. I've already prepared the soapy water. I'm going to just tip the bag upside down here. She's got a pretty large fleece, and I actually did have to discard some of her fleece. Okay, we're going to gently lower the fleece into the soapy water. Oh yeah, just as I expected, this was going to be probably the darkest water you're going to see. And it's not so much that her fleece has actual dirt on it, it's the high lanolin content. Her fleece has more lanolin than any ram that I've owned. After washing this fleece, I carded it and I spun it into this yarn. It has a coarser texture than a Shetland fleece, for example, but I did learn that I was able to spin it at a much faster speed than other fleeces that I've worked with. I then took this yarn and I knitted it into a hat and cowl. The hat is Whimsical Delights and the cowl is Seated Rib. I used US 11 16-inch circular knitting needles. The transformation from dirty fleece to finished garment is really cool, and yes, you can learn how to do it. It's not only artistic, but quite practical where I live. If you'd like to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.